Gilbert and George. A glass of alcohol being poured, the top of a gin bottle, a cigarette in hand. You might recognize an evening with friends that has got out of hand. One thing is clear, this artwork was not created sober. At the center of these pictures, you see the artists themselves, Gilbert and George, in their guise as living sculptures. The iconic duo have worked together since 1968 and are considered to be a single artist. They even finish each other's sentences. Below their portrait, you can read the title of the work, Drinking Sculpture, and the slogan, Art for All. Gilbert and George have spent their entire career rebelling against art elitism. They believe that art should reach the public. They question, therefore, why artists deliberately make themselves obscure, or why they should do something that 99% of the population cannot understand. In the 1960s, Gilbert and George were the first artists to place themselves in a provocative and shameless fashion at the center of their work. The art critics initially spat them out. Too vulgar, too garish, too one-dimensional. But international recognition and popular acclaim lay just around the corner. After selling their first work of art in 1970, Gilbert and George celebrated by getting drunk at a bar in London. They recorded their experience in a series of black and white photographs. As Gilbert and George states, artists would get smashed at night, but in the morning they would go to their studio and make a perfect minimal sculpture. They were alcoholics, but their art was dead sober. We did the drinking sculptures as a reflection of life.